Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how you can accept the payments on Wix completely for free. So this is a very quick and easy solution, especially if you want to sell some digital products from Wix. So first of all, we will click on the editor section. Right now I have opened the preview section. I'll just move to the editor section. So if you're anywhere here, you can just click on the home tab and click on the website. So let's quickly open the Wix. Let's open wix.com, and you must be already logged in, and you will see this sites option. So whatever site you want it to be connected, you can choose that. You can also create a new site quickly by choosing any good template, and you're good to go. Just simply choose the template and you have the complete website ready for you. So after that, just click on edit site, and once you are in the website, the editing panel, on the left hand corner you will see this add element section. Just click here, and in the search menu on the top, just right here PayPal, hit enter, and there should be different things here, but let's just click on this PayPal button right here, and it will take you to this app market where it will show you this PayPal button to be added to site. So this is a pre-plan. We need to add or install this app. So click on add to site and click on agree and add. Now this will take a while, and it will immediately add a PayPal button for you. So you can just attach it anywhere you want. Now for example, I want to place it here, and it says buy now. Now I need to configure that. We can accept the Visa, MasterCard, but this PayPal will just act as a medium. So click on settings, and after that you can just simply enter your PayPal email ID and you can just connect to that. You can also connect it to Stripe or offline payment methods, but you can just simply connect it, and after that you just go to the settings. Payment button type will be buy now. You can change it to donation, subscription, whatever you want, but in this case I'll keep it to buy now. Payment notifications, if you want to receive the notifications on a particular email, you can just add that email address here. Now autoresponder is a very good feature, especially if you want to share the link of a particular digital product. For example, when they make the payment, you can just click on enable the autoresponder, and you can just customize the template. And here you can simply write here, let's say instead of this one, just select that and it will open towards the right. Let's write here, we have successfully received your payment. Here is the link to your digital product, wherever it is. Now after that you can just attach any link you want. For example, here is the drive link, whatever, and you can just attach that link. You can just copy and paste that simply, and after that just save it.